In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive error 400. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Encountering an error 400 when using Google Drive can be quite frustrating, but fortunately, there are some effective ways to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. The very first method I suggest using is to clear your browsing data. This is often the most common fix for this kind of error. To get started, you will need to open your Chrome settings. Simply click on the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of your browser. Once the menu opens, look for the More Tools option, and when you hover over it, a submenu will appear. Click on Clear Browsing Data from that submenu. Now, a new pop-up window will appear, allowing you to manage what you want to clear. Here, you'll want to set the time range to All Time from the drop-down menu. This ensures that you are thoroughly cleaning up any data that could be causing the error. Next, you'll see several boxes to check. Make sure to select the options for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. If you want to keep your browsing history, feel free to leave that box unchecked. Once you've made your selections, click on the Clear Data button. This might take a moment, but once it's done, I recommend restarting Chrome. Once you've done that, try visiting Google Drive again to see if the issue has been resolved. If clearing your browsing data didn't do the trick, there's another method worth trying: using incognito mode. Opening an incognito window can help determine if a browser extension is causing the conflict. To do this, simply go back to that three-dot menu and select New Incognito Window. A new window will pop up and you can proceed to navigate to the problematic URL. If the site loads correctly in incognito mode, it's likely that a browser extension or a specific setting is the culprit. Now, we can move on to the next step, which is disabling those extensions to find the one causing the issue. To disable extensions, switch back to a standard Chrome window. Go into Settings, and from there navigate to the Extensions menu. You'll see a list of all your installed extensions. Here's where you'll want to isolate the issue. Go through each extension and disable them one at a time. After disabling each one, make sure to refresh the problematic website to check if it starts working again. This process may take a little bit of time, but it's worth it if you can pinpoint the troublesome extension. Once you find it, you can choose to either keep it disabled or look for an alternative. And there you have it. Those are some straightforward methods to fix Google Drive error 400. Start with clearing your browsing data, then try incognito mode, and finally, disable your extensions if necessary. Happy troubleshooting, and I hope that you find success with these fixes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.